Let's transform your ideas into a recognizable brand. First off, let's kick things off by creating a new document in Photoshop. Think square dimensions. I would recommend 1000 by 1000 pixels. Boost the resolution to 300 pixels per inch. Delving into the toolbox is key. The shape tool is your best friend. Explore the shapes like rectangles, circles, and polygons. Use the text tool and you can include your brand details like initials. It's important to experiment. Let's start by drawing a rounded rectangle on the canvas. The primary focus here is balance. Next, adjust the fill and stroke. Select your brand's colors. Use colors that suit your brand. Time for some text. Use the text tool and enter your brand's name or initials. Now, select a font that matches your vibe. Select either bold or modern fonts, and then size, space, and colors. Time to merge shape and text. Experiment to overlap and place them side by side. Remember, visual balance will make your logo look appealing. Consider your brand personality. Now imagine a simple, minimalist design, or try adding some shapes. Be creative with visual variations. Try different arrangements. Save the editable Photoshop file and export it. Use PNG for transparent backgrounds. Great for websites. Use JPG for print. So there you have a professional logo.